Hey fellow travelers, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Hello, welcome to Wandering Travelers. So today I'm visiting Banff in Alberta, or Banff National Park. It's an absolutely beautiful little town and it's also busy. So right now it's January and it's busy. If you come here in summer, parking is a nightmare. You have to really plan your trip to Banff, and either way, I mean, it's going to be fantastic. A couple of things you have to understand. Parking is, you have to pay for all parking, doesn't matter where you are. But however, by the railway station there's free parking. So right now this is where I am. So as you come into Banff, there's signs saying free parking. You just follow the signs to free parking and you park your car here, and that's where you park, and you're allowed to stay here almost the whole day. Right, so I'm going to go around. I'm going to show you as much as I can in 3 hours, because that's all I've got here today in Banff, and then hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.
Alright, so let me tell you about my recent trip. It was January midweek, a Wednesday to be exact, and honestly, it was the perfect time to go. The town wasn't packed like it gets in the summer, which if you've been then, you know it's a whole different story. Once you've parked your car, ditch it and use Banff's public transit. The town has a fantastic public system and it makes getting around super easy. No need to worry about parking or navigating the icy roads. The streets were calm, the shops were easy to browse, and you could actually enjoy the views without a million people in the way. The town itself is this adorable little village with all these cute shops and cafes. It's the kind of place where you half expect to see someone walking around in a plaid shirt carrying a stack of firewood. And the mountains, oh man, the mountains, they're everywhere. Like you're just walking down the street, grabbing a coffee, and bam, there's a massive snow-capped peak staring you in the face. It's impossible not to feel tiny in the best way possible. For lunch, I stopped by Eddie Burger. Great burgers, great vibes. The place has a fun, laid-back atmosphere, and the food, absolutely, hits the spot. I kept stopping to take pictures, but honestly, no photo does it justice. You just have to be there.
So I've walked downtown and now visited some downtown shops, etc. So I'm now on the way to Bow Falls, and it's I don't know, about 1.3 kilometers from downtown, and it's a beautiful path. You just follow the path and you eventually get to the Bow Falls. So I'm actually quite excited because I've never seen the Bow Falls frozen over. So I'm going to see if they are frozen over, and I'll let you know.
One of the highlights was this walk I took along the frozen Bow River. The river was completely iced over, like solid. No reflections because, well, it's a giant sheet of ice. But the path, oh man, it was icy. Like walking on a slip and slide, icy. I had to channel my inner penguin just to stay upright. The frozen Bow River Falls looks like a scene from a winter fairy tale. The rushing water is completely frozen in place, with layers of ice forming smooth glossy sheets and jagged edges. Snow covers the surface, making it look untouched and peaceful. You can still hear water and faintly gurgling underneath, and in the deep freeze of winter, icicles cling to the frozen ledges like nature's own sculpture.
So these things, I don't know what they are. They look like growths or something on these pine trees. If someone can let me know in the comments below what they actually are, because I can't find anywhere information. But it looks really strange.
We ended the day at the Grizzly House. If you've never been, it's this funky retro spot famous for fondue. We went for the classic cheese fondue, and let me tell you, melty cheese, crusty bread, and a cozy booth. Absolute perfection. Banff in winter, pure magic, quiet, breathtaking, and just the right amount of adventure. If you're thinking about going, do it, and trust me, bring stretchy pants